What's up, everybody? This is Jared with Hive Lead Marketing, and we are continuing our series today talking about really great free marketing tools. And we've already covered a bunch of them, and I'm going to continue this series for a few more weeks. So we're going to continue to cover just free stuff that you can use, free goodies, which are always great. And today we're talking about Peak, also known as user testing. So Peak, what this allows you to do is, let's say that you have built your website, right? Or you've built a landing page and you want to be able to measure what real live people think about it. And so this is a service that you can get for free. Up to a point. So you can't get a ton of people to look at your product without paying, but you can run a test for free and just get a random person to go in and tell you what their experience is on your website. And they give you a free option to do this. You don't get to do this multiple times, but you can get some free feedback. And this company, it's a really good company. I've used it before. I've never paid for it, but I've seen what the service is, and this is just really something to do. Like, sometimes if you're going to have your family go, or friends or coworkers go and look at your site, they're not really going to give you a really good objective opinion of it. And these are people that are completely at random. Just someone going in and looking at a site. And they're gonna just tell you their, objective opinion. They have nothing to gain or lose by doing that. They're gonna come in and just give you their opinion on it. And this is the reason that this is so useful, is this will allow you to maybe make some changes to your site that you should make. And they give it to you in the form. They give it back to you pretty quickly in the form of a person who will then just, like, for 3-4 minutes will scroll through your site and comment on it and make comments about what they think. You've got different, anything that is design, you can have people review on here. So not just like a website, but it could be a commercial or an ad, such as really useful, or it could be even, it says here, like a competitor website, which is, very interesting. All sorts of things. And so this is just a really simple but useful tool that I wanted to point out, that if you've never checked it out, you can go to app.usertesting.com. It used to be called Peak. I guess they've changed their branding up and try to make it more obvious what it is they do. That's really all there is to it. Pricing for this, I have no idea what it is. I think that it is, okay, let's check in here, pro services. But for most of you that have small businesses, you can just use user testing one time to check you or in maybe your competitor's site. Yeah, probably they have a custom pricing. And this is meant for larger customers to be able to, they put together a big group of people to do actual user testing. This is pretty straightforward. I don't have time on a 5-minute marketing video to talk a bit about anything else. So we'll end it here. But if you can like and subscribe to my videos, I'd be very appreciative. This will help us with the algorithm gods, get some traction. You can catch us on YouTube. You can catch us on Facebook. You can catch us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. This is 5-Minute Marketing Tips.